All right, so today I'm going to show you how to open up the Adobe Tools worksheet in Adobe Illustrator and how to fill it out and how to turn it back in. So you're going to go to File. After you've downloaded the file from Google Classroom, you're going to go to File in Adobe Illustrator and you're going to go to Open. Then you're going to locate your download folder. That's where it should have gone. And you're going to look for the PDF document that's titled AI Tools. You're going to go ahead and open that up, so double click. When you get to this PDF import options, it's very important. There's 4 pages here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says select page. You're going to click on all. And then you're going to hit OK. This will open up all 4 pages in one document. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a new tool. If you hold the space bar, you get the hand tool pop up. Now if you click with your mouse while you're holding the space bar, you can drag your panels all around your artboard. All right, this is going to be very convenient when you're trying to zoom in and out of your document. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out my layer panel because I don't need to see that right now. All right, so what you need to have is your toolbar open. You want to make sure that you can see all of your tools. So make sure that you go to Window, make sure that the toolbar's advanced tools are open, and make sure your control bar is open as well. You're going to go ahead and use your type tool. So it's right here. And you are just going to click on this first line. You're going to find that tool that's right there, this black arrow. And if you hover right above it, it tells you exactly what it is. This is your selection tool. So you're going to go ahead and type out selection tool for number 1. Then you're going to repeat the process. You can either go side to side, I don't care how you go, or down the line. So the next one is this one. And if I hover over it, it tells me this is my magic wand tool. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the line and type out magic wand. All right, so you're going to repeat that process, and depending on how I like to have everything nice and lined up, so that's up to you. I don't care at this point today. I just want you to get the answers down the line. Okay, when you get down here, it might get kind of distracting. This little arrow line is pointing to this round arrow right here. If you hover above that, it's going to tell you it's the swap, fill, and stroke. Okay, so you're going to type in swap, fill, and stroke right there. Okay, and what that does, it swaps between the fill color and the stroke color. Okay, if you click on it, you can see what happens. So just go through the process and fill out all of those. And then, oops, if you accidentally do that, hit escape and then delete, and it will delete that last. Okay, so moving over to the next one. These are going to be inside your tools. Remember yesterday I said if you click and hold open a tool, there's some pop-out options, right? So you're going to find these tools. So under the direct selection tool, which is this first one, you're going to click and hold that open, and then there's options, more tools within that toolbar. Okay. If you're not seeing these extra tools, then you need to make sure to go to Window and make sure that your advanced tools are turned on. All right, so I'm going to click and hold that open, and I'm going to hover above it. It actually tells me what it is. This is my group selection tool. So right here, I'm just going to type out group selection tool, and then move on to the next one. So I'm looking for my eraser tool because that's where my next set of tools are. So I'm going to click right here, click and open, and then I got my scissors tool and my knife tool. Okay, so you're just going to go down that line. All right, let's see when we get to this one. It's just a continuation of the pop-up tools. If you guys ever get this grid, you click on this perspective tool and the grid comes up. The way to get rid of it is to either click on that little X right there where it says hide grid, or let's see, is it not going to pop up now? Oh, I don't think it's going to pop up. Or you can hit the escape button on the keyboard, which is in the top left-hand corner, and that will hide your grid. Okay, let's see. So the next one, so yeah, just go through each tool. So the width tool is here. That's my width tool. You can see that here. and I can go down the line and just label these, okay? It's going to be really important for you guys to understand where all of these tools are located when you're completing your projects. That's why I am having you do this. I know it's pretty tedious, but just bear with me. All right, so the next thing you're going to do when you are all done, you've completed all of these, you're going to go ahead and export this file. So you're going to go, let's save it first, because you're not going to get done before the bell rings. So you're going to go to Save As, and you're going to locate your student U drive, create a new folder and name it AI Tools. I think I already have one. And you're going to rename it your first name underscore, oops, I already have a folder named AI Tools, so I'm just going to open that up. And you're going to name it your first name underscore AI Tools. Okay. Make sure to save it as an Illustrator file, so hit save. And then you're going to, all right, and then you're going to save it again, but you're going to save it as a PDF file. So instead of going to export, you're going to save as again, just like you did the first time, but you're going to change this, your drop-down menu, to PDF. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure it's in your Student U Drive, AI Tools, and hit save. Hit save. We're going to leave all of this default and hit Save PDF. And then you're going to log into Google Classroom, and you're going to attach both of your files. Your AI, you're going to just upload your PDF file. Okay.